I gotta go get my tan.
What's that?
Let it go. He goes,
Actually, no.